Hey everybody, meteorologist Mike Griffith here for East Coast Weather Association. It is February 1st. Happy February to everybody out there. It is 1:05 a.m. here on the East Coast, early Wednesday morning, and I just wanted to bring a couple of things to your attention here. Right now we're looking at the GEFS, I should say, the Global Ensemble Forecast System. This is a more level-headed approach to forecasting. And we're looking at the first right here, and it looks like a lot of the cold air, even that's not that cold, is locked up there in Canada. So we will have a warming trend here across much of the East Coast through the first week of February. A lot of this is going to be warm, especially as we go into uh, Virginia, down into North Carolina, and also into the southeast. Colder up here in Hudson Bay in Canada, but it doesn't matter to us here in the East Coast of the United States. Remains warm here through the 4th and also through the 5th. Boring pattern all the way through the 7th. That storm that's supposed to come through in the 5th and 6th is likely going to be rain because of the warmer temperatures than usual. So this is likely going to be much of a rainstorm this coming weekend into the mid-Atlantic and also to the Northeast. And looking into the 7th here, Tuesday, lots of warming here in the East Coast, likely going to be above average temperatures as we go into the first week of February here. Don't expect a whole lot of snow or a whole lot of cold, at least through the first week of February. But then here comes a shot of cold right around the 10th of February. And it looks like this is going to be a potential for an East Coast storm as we head into the 10th, and the likelihoods for that increase. However, it will warm up a little bit, and then it will go back into generally a cool and wet pattern through Valentine's Day and also the 15th here in the East Coast. More than likely, this is going to be rain across the East Coast here as we head into the 15th. Not so much snow, and it's going to remain cool and wet as we go into the 16th. Not a whole lot in the way of cold or snow. This is an ensemble, so it could be a little bit averaged out. But with all this warm air up here in Canada and the western United States, I'm not too confident that there's going to be snow through Valentine's Day or the 16th. It's looking like it's just going to be cool and wetter than usual. Again, we will have a possibility of a winter storm or cold shot of air around the 10th and 11th. And that's all it looks like right now as far as the form of anything in the form of snow and cold. Other than that, warm and probably wet across much of the East Coast. I am East Coast Weather Association meteorologist Mike Griffith. That's the update for February 1st. More updates coming. Thanks a lot for being a subscriber to this channel. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe at the bottom here. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.